I will go to hospital.
Do you sick, Anggi?
No, I'm just checking my health.
What is done routinely?
Yes, sir, because I have a history of stomach problems.
When do you go to hospital?
Tomorrow at 9 o'clock. What do you going to campus?
Yes, I will go to campus.
What do you after campus?
I'm going to the supermarket.
That look like fun. Then let's go home.
Yeah, come on. See you the day after tomorrow.
Happy, happy.